Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel RAC. So today we will be starting with our maths. We will be doing arithmetic progression. Now arithmetic progression, I will be giving you three parts. In these three parts we will be discussing first part. This is an introductory video of AP along with the important examples which I will show it to you in this video. Points to be discussed in this video will be first what is AP we will be discussing, then we will be discussing under the AP what are the first terms and what are the common differences of that AP, we will be discussing that. Then the important formulas which are related to AP, we will be discussing that. Then we will be discussing some important sums of AP. So coming to the first point, arithmetic progression. Now what is an AP? It is a list of numbers in a sequence or in an order. The order may be A1, A2, A3, A4 dot 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 AN. AN means A to the power infinite, it can A10, A20, A50, anything it can happen, where a common difference exists. Common difference is the difference between these two numbers. I will be coming to it later. Common difference exists between these terms is known as arithmetic progression or AP. Now students, AP is a sequence or some group of numbers where there must exist a common difference, means the gap between the two numbers must be same. Let us take one example. 1, 3, 5, 7. See over here, the gap between 1 and 3 is 2. The gap between 3 and 5 is also 2. The gap between 5 and 7 is also 2. So the common difference must be same. That's why it is called as common difference. Now coming to the first term. First term is the first number of any sequence which is denoted by A or A1. It is the first term of any AP. So in this case 1, 3, 5, 7, 1 is the first term or A1. 1 is the first term or A1. In any of the sequence, we get the first letter or the first numeric value is the first term. Now we will come to the next topic, that is our common difference. So what is a common difference? It is the common gap between the two terms in an AP. It is denoted by small d. So students, we are taking a sequence A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. So how can we take out the value of d? So d will be A2 minus A1. What is this A2? A2 is this one and A1. When we are subtracting A2 and A1, we are getting d. Or we can write, just see over here, I am just taking this A1 into the left hand side, so it is becoming A1 plus d. So A2 will be A1 plus d. Likewise A3 will be also A2 plus d, and likewise A4 will be also like A3 plus d, and A5 will be also A4 plus d. So let us take an example. Let us take 1, 3, 5 and 7. So over here A1 is first term, which is A1, 1. A1 is 1 over here. And what is A2? This one is A2. So A2 will be 3 in that case. So how can we take out the value of d? D will be, I have already told you the formula, it is A2 minus A1. When we are subtracting any two terms, that is the difference. The second term minus the first term. So 3 minus 1. In this case d is 2. Now if we are trying to find just A3, How can we find? We can just write a2 plus d. So what is the value of a2, students? a2 we know the value of a2 is 3 plus the value of d we know that is 2. So 3 plus 2 will be 5. Just see, the value of a3 is 5. Now we have also confirmed that the value of d is always 2 in this sequence. Now we will be coming to the important formulas of AP. So now coming to the important formulas. An equal to a plus n minus 1 d. What is an? Nth term or the general term? When you were told to take out the general term of an AP, you have to just put it into this formula where an equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Now what is the a? You know it is the first term, then n you also know it is the number of terms, and d you already know it is the common difference. Now when you have to find the last term, that is L, in a sequence when we have to find the last term, so L is the last term, you just have to put it into this formula a plus m minus 1 d, where m is the last term, it will be given. Now a of m you have to find, a of m, where m will be given. Now a of m or the L you have to find. Okay, so m is the last term, d is the common difference. Now why I have written over here L? L is the a of m. A of m means the, in a sequence, suppose we know the last term but we don't know where it is its position. As I am telling you the example, suppose there is 1 3 5 dot 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 I am telling. Now I am just telling you a number, hopefully 51. We don't know where 51 is. We don't know what is the position of 51. To find the position of 51, we have to use this formula. Then we can know the position of 51, where m is the 51. Okay, where m is the 51 or the last term. Now coming to the sum of n terms of an AP, if you are required to find the sum of n terms of an AP, then you have to just put it into this formula n by 2. N you already know, 2a, a is the first term, so 2a, n minus 1 d you all know. So sum of n terms, if you have to find, then you have to put it into this formula or into this formula. If a of n is given, you don't need to write all this one, because n minus a into n, a plus n minus 1 d is n. If a of n is given, then you just put it into this formula and the sum will be coming. And if there is only n terms given and you just know the last term, then you have to put it into this formula, that is Sn equal to n by 2 a plus L. Just you have to put it into this formula and then the sum will come out. Now sum of first n positive integers, sum of first n positive integers, you have to just put it into this formula, n into n plus 1 by 2, then the value will be coming up. So these are the required formulas of AP. Now I will be just coming to few sums, 1-2 sums, so that you can just understand this formula, and on the next few parts I will be coming to the detailed sums of NCERT and the other books. So let's come to the important sums. The question: find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. Why I have chose this question? This is a very important question where a of n is also required, so that's why I have chose this question. This is a very important one. So a of n, you know, where we don't know the first term, we take the first term as a and the common difference as d. Now what is the formula of a of n? A of n is a of n equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Now it is given that the 11th term is 38. So for 11th term, when we are saying that 11th term, so a of 11 will be a plus n minus 1. In place of n we are writing 11 minus 1 d, which is equal to 38. A plus n minus 1 d equal to 38. In place of n we are writing 11. Why? Because we are finding the 11th term. So 11 minus 1 is 10. So a plus 10d equal to 38, which is our first equation. Now coming to the 16th term, and it is also given that 16th term is 73. So we are just taking, as we were taking 11, just we are taking that for 16th term, a of 16 equal to a plus 16 minus 1 d. In place of n, we are just taking 16 equal to 73. So a plus 15d equal to 73. Since 16 minus 1 over here, it is 15. So a plus 15d equal to 73, which is the second equation. Now you can solve it by any of the methods. You can use elimination method, you can use substitution method. Now elimination method is a very easy method and a convenient method, so I have used this method only. So a plus 10d equal to 38, which was the first equation, and the second equation is a plus 15d equal to 73. Now I have just changed the sign, so it's just getting eliminated, and 15d 10d minus 15d, it's minus 5d, and 38 and 73, it's 35. Just I am cutting the negative signs, and it is becoming, the value of d is becoming as 7. Now I am just putting the value of d in equation 1, so it is becoming a plus 10 into 7 equal to 38. Now 10 into 7 is 70, so a plus 70 equal to 38, and just I am taking the 70 into the opposite side, so it is becoming 38 minus 70, which is equal to minus 32. Since the sign of 70 is greater, so it will become minus 32. Now we were told to find the 31st term of the AP. The question was to find the 31st term of the AP. Now a of 31 equal to minus 32 plus 31 minus 7, 31 minus 1 into 7. So what are these terms? Minus 32 is the first term, plus 31 minus 7, 31 is the nth term, minus 1, it was in the formula, into d. What is the value of d? We have taken out as 7. So I have just taken d as 7 over here. So it is becoming 178 by our calculation. Just we are taking 30 into 7, which is 210, and minus 32 is 178, which is our ultimate solution. Now today students, I am not going to the deep sums, I am just telling you all these sums. And if you have still seen the video, and if you have not subscribed this channel RSC, then please do subscribe this channel. And if you have any doubts regarding these questions, you can comment me on the section below. And please don't forget to like the video if you have understood these questions and the formulas. And thank you for seeing the videos.